Okay, ladies and gents, we are arriving to the car wash. Cayson is deciding which stands. Oh, right by the automatic.
Might be loud if someone comes in there, but
we shall see what happens. Cayson just got mad because I opened my own door.
Not as bad as pickleball last night, though.
Yeah, pickleball last night was pretty rough.
Apparently, they talked about me crashing out after we left last night.
They did?
Yeah. Because I told Dylan about it. He's like, oh, no, they already told me. It's like, oh, dang it.
Okay.
A day in the life of a YouTuber?
Here.
So you're washing it?
Yes.
Oh, boy. Am I going to need to come back over it?
Guys, I'm washing the car. Cayson probably will have to change it, but should I put it on the wash soap? Let's get this bread.
What did you say?
I said, let's get this bread.
Do you want to do pre-soak or pre-soak first?
What do you think? You do what you think.
All right, I'll probably start you with free.
So what now?
I'll start you with pre-soak.
Okay.
Take off.
I'm holding it. Did you put 250 in?
I thought I did, but it's kind of tweaking out.
Did you put 10 quarters in?
Probably not. In theory, now you're good to go.
Nope.
Yep. It says power on.
Oh, there we go. This is Min trying to pee.
Brother. Loki kind of is.
What in the world is going on?
That's literally how I feel every time I go to the bathroom.
Coleman!
I was kind of hoping he'd be here so he got a free car wash, but he's not.
You should have called him.
I don't want to be that guy that only calls him, though, like, when we're... Like, I call him every time I come to the car wash so that he gives me a free one. Like, I don't want to be that guy.
Have you called him previously?
I haven't.
So then you wouldn't be to call him every time.
But I also know it's Sunday afternoon. Like, he might be napping. Obviously
Recovering?
not working. Yeah, for real. Austin was literally... Like, he called us out this morning. He's like, did you get enough sleep last night? I was like, I mean, somewhat. And he's like, I have a feeling y'all were out really late, weren't you? I was like, I mean, yeah. He's like, yeah, I heard. He's like, I knew y'all would be. And he's like, I knew it would start with pickleball. And then Nathan confirmed that. He's like, what'd y'all do? Just pop some cellies and keep going? I was like, I mean, low-key.
I didn't pop any cellies. So see, this is where I messed up last time. I didn't get underneath it.
Yeah, you didn't get underneath anything and underneath, like, above your tag. And then, like, in the cracks and the very top. All right, you ready for some power?
Yeah. Okay, I'm ready.
Oh, really?
Can you check the angle?
You are currently not in it.
Huh?
You're not really in it. Someone needs to teach her how to set up a camera. Meta? Come on.
I have this spot on my window that won't come off.
Let me just hold it.
I can't hear you.
All right, guys. Well, I don't think it was really worked holding you. So you're just going to get to see me from my point of view. Shout out Bill's Car Wash.
Oh no, my mic!
Best car wash in Weatherford. I'm sure Sierra would love a sponsorship.
Hopefully they can still hear me. other one?
Say what?
You switch it to the other one?
Yes, ma'am.
My mic came loose. I'm glad it didn't fall. How do you know when the soap's all out again?
Aim it at the ground. When it stops being white. Alright, you should be good. Get up underneath the back window a little more.
What?
Yeah, right there.
Ah!
Fun fact, Sierra and I, when we, I guess I asked her to be my girlfriend, we started the date off at the car wash, washing her car for the first time. Her car had never been washed up until that point.
That look hot?
Very. We'll just have to see how much more I have to go over when she's done.
Ew, there's a bug! Get out! I either just push the bug further into my headlight, or I got it out.
Wow, we just got so. Such an interesting way to wash a car. Very interesting. Are you ready for the spot free rent?
I think so. What do you think?
I mean, sure.
I don't know if my audio will be any good because I just have the sound of this.
I wonder if you'll be able to hear me, or if we'll just have to not have any of it.
Probably. Like, they could probably hear me right now.
Yeah.
We can look at it when we get back in the car.
Just close up.
You could probably zoom in.
Say what?
Said you could probably zoom in.
I can also, well, actually. Wow. It looks like it's tweaking out on the camera, but I don't know why. But the time is 25 seconds left, so we're going to throw another quarter in there. And you know, we'll go ahead and pop 2 in there for good measure.
What?
I'm videoing you?
I thought you went like kind of chuffed.
I what now?
But you went like.
No. Boomer sooner, baby.
Probably gonna have to blur out my license plate.
Yeah. Does anyone taught you to like start at the top and then work your way down? Like across?
Yeah, I know.
Okay. I was just wondering.
You realize that before we started dating, my dad always washed the vehicles, and then you started washing the vehicles, and then I decided that I wanted to wash the vehicle.
Oh no, I just completely forgot about this.
It's fine. I think I got it all. I think I'm good.
I can add one more right now.
I think I'm good. I started with this.
You missed your spot down low, so.
Where?
Hit that bottom, like right there, and then I would go. Did you get the very top?
Who cares about the top?
Well, the water on the top will run down and leave spots. That's a very bad videography on my part, my fault. You just gonna have a sky view helicopter?
Okay. It ran out.
All right.
I think it looks pretty good.
I think it looks pretty spectacular. I do say so myself.
Okay. What? That's the spot free.
Okay.
Guys.
Are you ready?
Guys, I think he doesn't like my wash job.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think he likes my wash job.
Would you like the vlog?
Yeah. I was saying that I don't think he likes my wash job. What'd you think? How did I do?
I feel like you did very well.